Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Shaw's Deals and Delivery app is and how it's positioned. Shaw's Deals and Delivery is an official shopping app by Albertsons Companies designed to let users shop for groceries, find deals and coupons, and order pickup or delivery from participating Shaw's stores as described in its Apple App Store and Google Play Store listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The core function, according to the documented official descriptions, is to shop for groceries and other store items with options for pickup or home delivery, helping users get essentials without visiting the store in person. Shaw's Deals and Delivery may be useful for users who want to browse and add items quickly to a cart based on past orders or frequent purchases, a feature confirmed by its store listings. The app's officially documented savings tools let users find and apply weekly deals, coupons, and offers, and track and redeem rewards while shopping. Convenience features include DriveUp Go curbside pickup, delivery status tracking, and notifications for order updates, according to official app information. Shaw's Deals and Delivery may also provide a shopping list creation mode and in-store assistance features, including aisle location search and barcode scanning for price checks, as noted in the official descriptions. Official sources indicate the app includes pharmacy management options, where users can transfer, refill, and track prescriptions for themselves and family members directly within the app. For users interested in meal planning, the app may let you view recipes and plan ingredients into your shopping experience, based on its store listings. Shaw's Deals and Delivery may also support features for tracking health and activity habits and earning rewards tied to nutrition and wellness goals, according to the documented official descriptions. This app may be an option for anyone looking to combine grocery ordering, savings offers, rewards tracking, and prescription management in one place. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.